How's it, everybody? Welcome to TS for You. Today we're going to talk about what to do when your iPhone won't turn on even though you know there's a full charge on your iPhone. Also, this method will work when, for instance, your iPhone freezes. So let's get started here. You're going to press and hold the power button and also the home button together. So press and hold and keep holding this until it turns off. Once it turns off, you're going to continue to hold it until you see an Apple logo. There we go. Now that you saw an Apple logo, you let go and you let it reboot. That's all you got to do. This method will work for the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 6, and 6S. There's another method that you're going to have to do with the 7, and I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so we have an iPhone 7 here, and it's a little bit different with the iPhone 7 because the home button is a virtual home button. It doesn't actually push like the iPhone 6 does. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, go into Best Buy or a cell phone retailer, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, and try it because it's different. This isn't an actual button. If you push it, it'll just give you a vibration. So the whole classic power and home button method will not work. In this scenario, what you're going to do is press the power button and the volume down button, which is located on the left side of the phone. So you just, same thing, power and volume down, press it together, and you hold it. And what's going to happen is it's going to shut off just like that. Continue to hold it until you see the Apple logo. There you go. And then you let go. And that's it. So remember, once again, you can do this if your phone is not turning on, even though you know that it's fully charged. Or if it freezes, I would recommend doing this if you have problems with your phone in general. It kind of gives it a nice reset. It's a hard reset that it does, but it doesn't erase any of your information. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video and found it useful, go ahead and put that thumbs up button on there. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and slap that subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you later.